Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have something super cool for you. We are going to create this dynamic, fully animated bar chart from scratch using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Take a look at the demo. Here is what we will be building. As you can see, when I click start, the bar begins animating with random heights. Clicking the stop freezes the animation. And with the reset, all the bars expand to fill the screen, creating this eye-catching effect. This project is perfect for beginners who want to practice their front-end skills or anyone looking to add some simple animations to their websites. And the best part, no external libraries or framework, just pure code. Let me walk you through exactly how to create this step by step. Whether you are new to web development or just exploring animations, this will be a great learning experience. In this project consists of three main components: HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The HTML is for the structure that defines the bars and buttons. CSS, the styling that gives it a polished look and smooth transitions. JavaScript, the logic for animating the bars and controlling their behavior. Here is a breakdown. The bars in simple div elements styled to have different colors and adjustable heights. The buttons trigger specific actions: start, stop, and reset. JavaScript dynamically modifies the height of each bar to create the animation effect. Now let's create a project. Step 1, we are creating an HTML code. Let's begin by creating the structure of our project. First, we have a container for the animated bars and a selection for the control buttons. Now let's create a doc type now, and then we are creating a div called animation container. In this we have 4 bars. Let us create an ID called animation container, and we need 4 bars now. 4 bars, and we need ID for it. I will name it as bar 1, and respectively for this as bar 2, and for this also bar 3, and for this bar 4. That's it. I have created 4 bars now, and I need 3 buttons. As you can see that the start, reset and stop button I have. I will name it as controllers, or let me name it as controls, and I need 4 button with a class. Let me create a 3 button now. We got it, and I'll create a name as start, and I need a on-click event now. When I click, I need to execute this function named start animation, and I will name this button as start. And okay, I got 3 buttons. Respectively, I will create this class as reset. And I will create an on-click event and name it as reset animation. I will name this button as reset. As same as I will create class mention as stop, on click event. I will name the function as stop animation. Name the button as stop. That's it. We have created an HTML code. Now let's check how this looks like. Yes, I got a 3 buttons now, but I didn't got a bar. Let's design this bar now. And in each div represents a bar with a unique IDs, so we can style and control them individually. The buttons will trigger the animation functions we will write later. Now let's write a CSS code now. Now let's make our bars and buttons look great with CSS. We will set up a clean centered layout for the page and style the animation containers and bars, customize the buttons for better visuality. Let's start with CSS code now. Uh, in the head itself, I need to create an CSS style now. Here, let's write style and let's design a body first. Display flex and flex direction as column and justify content center. I need this to be center now, and align items also should be center, and height as 100, and background color as black, and color as white. Let's check this how it looks now. Yeah, we got a centered alignment and we got a background color as black now. Now let's design a animation container which we designed written here. Let's call this ID. Yes, we got it, and we will try to display flex and align items should be flex end. Bars should be aligned to the bottom, right? So we are designing as flex end now, and width should be 100% and height also should be 80. Now let's design a bar now. Dot bar width 20%. And background color, let's keep it purple, and we will design transition, keep height as 0.5 sec ease. Now let's create a ID of bar 2. Let's design a background color as pink, and another bar 3, give a background color as orange, and another bar 4, give a background color as yellow. That's it. We have designed 4 bars now, and we have to design now the leftover is button Let's design a button now. I'm selecting a button element and adding a padding now of 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Now let's add margin of 5 pixel and border as none, and cursor let's keep it as pointer, and font size should be of 16 pixel. I have designed a button now. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's designed perfectly now. Now let's design now start button. Let's give a background color as green. That suits for a start, right? So let's give it as green, and text color should be white. Let's look great. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we got a start button now, and we need a reset button. Let's design background color as purple, and let's keep the color of text as white, and for stop button we give a background color as red, and this also suits for stop button, and let's give the text color as white. That's it. Now CSS code has been finished, and we have designed completely for buttons and designs, but I think stop is not working. Sorry. Let's see what we have given. Oh, okay. We got a red color now. And now we are moving for JavaScript. Now it's time to bring our project alive with JavaScript. We will animate the bar heights randomly when the start button is clicked. Freeze the animation with the stop button. Expand all bars to full height and width with reset button. Let's start with the JavaScript code. Let's add script now and declare a global variable. If you don't know about the global variable, yesterday I have released one video on global variable. Please watch it before doing this, so you will understand how the global variable works and where to use it and how to use it and why we need to avoid global variable. Okay, let's jump back in now. Now we have declared one variable to store animation interval. Now let's write a function for start button. Let's declare a function start animation. Now immediately we call stop animation. We have not yet written a code for it, but still we are calling a stop animation now. Later we will write a code for stop animation also. Okay, now for variable animation interval, we will set an interval as we will select we will select a class bar to design it. To select document dot query selector all, we will select our dot bar class, and we will write a loop for it for each bar. In this, the style of height of a bar should randomly math.random. Let's keep into 100 plus modulus. This will random size bar height. Let's write 500. This will update every 500 milliseconds. Now we have designed start animation now. Now let's try to run a start button now. Let's click a start button. Looks like nothing is working. Okay, let's write for stop animation button now. Function stop animation. If we click a stop animation or if we click a stop button, it should be cleared. So we are calling clear interval of variable animation interval. This will clear the interval to stop animation. Now let's try. Yeah, we are getting it now with a perfect animation. Okay, let's design for reset now. Function reset animation. We are calling stop animation function again to immediately stop it, and we are selecting a bar element or bar class by query selector all of dot bar class. We are running a loop now for each bar. If we click a reset, the height should be 100%. So bar dot style dot height is equals to 100%. Now this will set bars to full height. But here when I click the reset button, the bar should also be in a full screen mode. Before that, let's try to reset now. Okay, start is working now, and if I click a reset, everything is reset to height for 100% now. Now we need to create this bar for full width or full screen. To do this, we will write bar dot style dot width is equals to 25%. Let's check this out now. Start is animation is running now, and if I click reset button, yes, I got a full screen now. But if you notice, when I click start button, this will not show a full screen mode. To do this, we will need to add the same code here. Bar dot style dot width is equals to 25%. That's it. Let's check if this works or not. Yes, this is working correctly now. Now if I click on stop, this will creating a stop animation now, and if I click for reset, this is resetting now. If I click for start, the animation is starting. Let's check this in full screen now. Okay, let's test the final result. When I click start, the bars animate dynamically with random heights. When I click stop, it pauses the animation, and reset, will expand all the bars to fulfill the screen. And there you have it, a simple interactive and bar animation created with just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is great project to practice your front-end skills and experiment with animations. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more coding in content and share your thoughts in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.